In this lesson, I will walk you through shape language and how you can use it to design your character. Shape language is how basic shapes communicate different aspects of a character's mood and personality. Properly using shape language will help lay the foundation for your character and elevate your final design with depth and meaning. There are three main shapes that make up shape language, which are the circle, the square, and the triangle. These shapes can be combined to form other shapes such as diamond, hexagon, and teardrop, which also can be used in your design. But from my experience, I have learned that the more complex the shape gets, the less clear the communication can be, as it's most clear in those three simple forms. So for now, let's stick with these basic shapes and go through their meanings. The circle tends to feel soft, calm, friendly, happy, comforting, gentle, warm, wholesome, generous, bouncy, familiar, and safe. And the circle is great for jolly, happy, and cute characters. The square tends to feel stable, solid, secure, well-built, rational, peaceful, and trustworthy. The square is great for physically strong or heroic characters. And then there's the triangle, which feels sharp, aggressive, dynamic, energetic, powerful, conflicting, strong, active, progressive, violent, angry, and dangerous. The triangle is great for evil, fast, and insect characters. And I would like to stress that the triangles don't always mean a character is bad. I know when I first was learning about shape language, I had perceived all triangle use as an indication that a character was the bad guy, but triangles can actually help characters express their energetic nature or sharp intellect. Now that you have an understanding of shape language, let's look at some examples. What do the shapes that make up these characters communicate to you about their personality? Do you feel they look welcoming, trustworthy, or maybe a little evil? And as I mentioned earlier, you don't just have to use one shape for your whole character. You can also combine the basic shapes to communicate more with your character. For example, you can combine a square and a circle to give off a gentle and trustworthy vibe. Or you could combine a circle and a triangle, which would give a character that feels happy and energetic. And it's common to use different shapes throughout the body, so feel free to experiment with shapes as you sketch out your character. A great real-world example of this is Sonic the Hedgehog. Sonic is a quick-witted and easygoing character with super speed, which is communicated through the use of multiple triangles and circles throughout his body. So why is this important? Outside of character design, you can use shape language in other illustration projects. For instance, let's say you wanted to create a fast-looking car, you could use shape language to make the car look way more aerodynamic. So feel free to use these skills and apply them to other projects as well. To recap, we just discussed shape language and the meaning of the three basic shapes, as well as how you can use them in drawing the foundation of your character.